for $1 million. You ready to see the question?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, let's play. The U.S. icon Uncle Sam was based on Samuel Wilson, who worked during the War of 1812 as a what? Meat inspector, mail deliverer, historian, weapons mechanic.
Let me just give me a moment, but I'm pretty sure.
I have to remind you that if you miss it, you go down to 32.
Yes, ma'am.
But if you get it right, you'll be the first contestant to win $1 million.
And I won't have to worry about socks for the rest of my life.
No, you won't.
My mom will see to that.
You'll make your mom a very happy woman. I'm sure she already is very proud of you.
Well, there have been times where I probably could have been a better kid, but I was always in there trying, honest.
Do you think you know it?
Yes, ma'am. I just want to make sure I'm reading it right. A ways back, there was an Asian gentleman who read a question. I read it the same way he read it. The answer was nectarine. He read it as tangerine. Regis sat there and read it as tangerine. In other words, we all saw the same question. We all got the same wrong answer because we all read it too quickly.
Okay.
And I'm not milking the moment. Trust me.
No, please. Do you want me to read it again?
Would you please?
Sure. The U.S. icon Uncle Sam was based on Samuel Wilson, who worked during the War of 1812 as a what? Meat inspector, mail deliverer, historian, weapons mechanic.
A meat inspector, final answer.
I'm so excited.